Munchkins, what is up? I hope you guys are doing awesome. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial. Yes, it is an Indian makeup look. It's this beautiful look right here. I am in love. I am obsessed with this look. I'm obsessed with the jewelry, the outfit, everything. It just looks on point. A big shout out to MORTANTRA for these beautiful jewelry. These are actually two different necklaces. This is a choker, this is a necklace. मैंने इनको layer कर दिया है थोड़ा सा heavy look देने के लिए because it is an Indian makeup tutorial, and this is the look that I decided to do because my outfit is red, it's bold, my jewelry is heavy. I decided to go a little light with my makeup because heavy outfit, heavy jewelry with heavy makeup, it doesn't really work out. I personally don't like that look. I like my light makeup, heavy jewelry outfit. Yeah, light jewelry outfit with heavy makeup. This is how I like to work. But if you're a bride and you like this makeup look, you can totally go for it. Explain everything step by step how to achieve this look. And if you guys want to know how I did it, definitely keep on watching. I might regret wearing this entire set of jewelry while doing my makeup. I can accidentally spill some makeup or foundation on this beautiful set, but I cannot help it. These are just so pretty. I even cannot stop staring at myself in the viewfinder. This video is very spontaneous. I was just simply trying out these jewelry, and the minute I saw it on myself, I was like, up the full face of makeup karna hi padega. I want to see how I will look with a full face of makeup with this, and oof. That is the reason I'm filming this video. I've already cleansed my face and now it is time to apply some moisturizer. You guys know how important it is for me to moisturize my face before applying makeup. It acts as a barrier. It moisturizes the skin, gets rid of any dry patches that you might have on the skin, and makes your makeup slide and look good. Now, using the right moisturizer according to your skin type is very important. Now Lakme has a different range of moisturizers to offer for different skin type at a very affordable price range. Right here in front of me, I have 5 different type of moisturizers which I quickly wanted to share with you guys. First one I have here is the Lakme 9 to 5 Matte Moist Mattifying Moisturizer, the Lakme Absolute Hydra Pro Gel Creme, Lakme's very famous Peach Milk Ultra Light Gel Moisturizer, Lakme 9 to 5 Aloe Aqua Gel, and lastly I have Lakme 9 to 5 Day Creme SPF 20. Today, because my skin is extra sensitive, you can clearly see I'm breaking out here and there, I will be using the Lakme 9 to 5 Day Cream SPF 20. Now the texture of this one is super lightweight. It looks like a cloud, and what I really like about this is that it also makes my makeup look really nice and makes my skin look very glowy. So I will apply this all over my face. See how quickly it gets absorbed, and as mentioned, it gives a beautiful glow as well. The best part about this moisturizer is that it has aloe vera and SPF 20, which means that it will soothe, hydrate and protect my skin. And because this has SPF 20, there is no hassle of applying another layer of SPF on top of this. Apply this and you are good to go. My mom also enjoys using this moisturizer during the day because she has very dry skin, and because of its lightweight texture, it is very comfortable to wear during the day. If you want to check out any of these moisturizers that I just mentioned, I will leave it in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. Next, for primer, I will be using my favorite holy grail, the Benefit Professional Primer. I have been using this for years now and I swear by this product. So you know the drill. I'll apply this around my nose, on my chin a little bit, on my upper lips even, and on my forehead. Now for my foundation, I want to create a cocktail of 2 of my favorite MAC foundations. So this one right here is the MAC Face and Body in C5. Gives a very nice glowy look to the skin, but it does not have a lot of coverage. So to add coverage, I will be mixing a little bit of the Studio Fix Plus, which is in the shade NC42. I haven't tried these two together ever. This will be my first time. Let's see how that goes. I took out this much of the MAC Face and Body, and I'll take a little bit of the Studio Fix Plus and start applying it on my face. Concealer, first I will use a hydrating concealer which is very close to my skin tone. So basically this will help me in getting rid of any darkness that I have under my eyes. And to add more coverage on top, I will be using the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in the shade Caramel Corn. Blend this area of my concealer using a fluffy brush like so that I have more coverage, and I'll blend out the edges. To set my concealer, I'll be using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder in the shade Cookie. Do you guys remember the trick I showed you guys in my last video on how you should set your concealer? I'm gonna do the same. Okay, now for the eyes, because my outfit is red and I am wearing very heavy jewelry, I don't want to go very heavy on the eyes. I want to have a clean base, light eyes, and I want my jewelry, my outfit to speak. So what I will do is I will first, wait a second, I'll just tell you. First, I will go ahead use the Huda Beauty Sand Haze Eyeshadow Palette. It looks like this. I have some very pretty colors to play with. I will start by using this shade right here and apply it above my crease. Next, I will be using the Pixi Reflect Light Eyeshadow Palette, and in this particular palette, I have a lot of different shades of brown, bronze, gold to play around with. And इस palette में ना metallic shades ही हैं, matte shades नहीं हैं. This is a great eyeshadow palette if you have weddings to attend, या basically you go to parties a lot. You can get this because you have a lot of different metallic shades to work around. So I will start by first applying this shade right here. I will pick this color on my finger like so and apply it on my eyelids. I'll go in with this beautiful golden shade and apply it in the first half of my eye. Now I will next go ahead and use this deep bronze shade and pick it up on a very tiny detailer brush. This is the Cuffs and Lashes E006 brush and apply it on the outer edge of my eyes. I'll take a matte brown eyeshadow and apply it on my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna apply my eyeliner, and I'll be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner. For my mascara, I want to share a new discovery, and I was shook when I tried it, and ever since I've tried it, I cannot go back. This is the Mars mascara and it is fabulous. I'm very particular when it comes to mascara because my lashes are very stubborn. They are like cow lashes, tent की तरह गिरे रहते हैं. They don't want to be curled up, held up. That's the reason I'm very particular when it comes to mascara. I have only 2-3 favorites and बहुत कम mascara मुझे impress कर पाते हैं. So be ready to see me using this beauty right here. So I'll apply this mascara on my upper and lower lashes. I'm just gonna go off camera, quickly wear my lashes, and I will be right back. Now for blush, I will be using the Balm Big Date blush right here, which is my all-time favorite. To apply this, I will use a big fluffy brush like so and apply it on the outer portions of my cheekbone. I'm gonna apply some highlighter. For my lips, I'll be using MAC Taupe. For the last step, I will set my face using the Huda Beauty Glow Cocoa Hydrating Mist. And of course, I will finish off the look by adding a red bindi. And that's it. This is the final look. I am in love. It looks so beautiful. The makeup is subtle, but my jewelry is heavy and everything is like well balanced. Now, if you're a bride, you can totally wear this look. And if you're not, just go a little light with the jewelry and keep the makeup as it is and you will look fabulous. I will leave all the products in the description box below. Let me know in the comments down below what do you guys think of this look, because I cannot stop looking at myself because I love how my makeup turned out. The entire vibe, the look is just so me. And if you guys enjoyed watching today's video, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.